Guys, are you trying to open environmental variable and in that your buttons are disabled, options are locked, you are not able to open it? So relax guys, in the next 60 seconds, I will show you how to fix this problem in the quickest way. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve the environmental variable option problem. So guys, let's start the video. So here guys, in my Windows search, I'm simply searching environmental variable, or you can type env, and here I'm selecting this option guys, environmental variable for your account, and here you can see the options are locked, buttons are disabled. Okay, so now I'll show you how to fix this problem. So again, you can search env in your Windows search, and here you can see we have two options. The first option we have as edit environmental variable for your account, and second option is edit the system environmental variable. So guys, if you select edit environmental variable for your account, you can see I'm selecting and the options are disabled. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to again search this env, and here rather than selecting for your account, I'm going to select edit the system environmental variables. And guys, here you can see this screen. Just click on this environmental variables button. And guys, now you can see the buttons are not disabled, they are not locked. You can use it. You can click on new edit, whatever button you want. So that solves your problem guys. Guys, if my video has really helped you, drop a like, hit a subscribe and share the video. It really motivates me to bring more helpful content for you. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.